Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So today we'll be talking about Bitcoin chart analysis, what I'm still expecting of the market and the further price movement. And also before we continue, please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. If you watch my video, please subscribe and smash the like button and also put on notification so that you get notified once a new content is uploaded. So let's continue. I make a video on a Bitcoin some days ago that if it's unable to sustain about a particular level that might see the price coming down to around the 38k, 33k. Now what I said in that video, and in which when the price was unable to hold that level, the level was unable to hold the price and the Bitcoin fell. Due to some news that about by China banning cryptocurrency at the financial institution and others like that. So, in which see some tweet too about Bitcoin and in which uh, people saw the market and the market came, the price fell. So, but today let's look at what's actually happening currently. So, this is the Bitcoin chart. Look at it. All time I fell to around $29,000. Now, let's zoom in and look at where the price is currently. No, I told you some price action the other video in mainly the Bitcoin chart. You know that it wants to fall initially before the element tweet that really helped the fall quicker. So, but currently Bitcoin is at $40,850 now, and which is trying to break this level because there's a resistance here. It's it tried it first time, it got rejected. Tried the second time, got rejected. You have been trying it. Look at it. Bitcoin has been trying this level, but it's unable to break it. And looking at it now, Bitcoin is forming a pattern around this region. Let's draw it. So this is because this is a trend Bitcoin was following initially. And what is this? My gosh. Look at it. Bitcoin returned back, went up, came down, went up, was making higher lows. So it went up to this level and it's closing with that previous high. You understand? It's that same level. And because it could not break it, it returned back and broke down. You understand this trend line, which was forming before, the also upward trend line, and it's broken below the trend line now, which is trying to go ahead and see if it can break this level now. But looking at it now, assuming this level, this Bitcoin was the price of Bitcoin at this market was able to break this 42k level and stay above the price, it should have been very good. But now Bitcoin is still trying to baffle with this level, trying to break it. But looking at it, there's a formation around this region. Let's look at it very well. You see that there's a formation and this triangle. And looking at it now, Bitcoin has broke below this triangle now. Bitcoin has broke below it. Look at it. Bitcoin broke out of the triangle downward, which is not breaking upward. And now, what I'm expecting now is for Bitcoin to go ahead if come and test this triangle. Now, there's something you should be very careful here and look at. If Bitcoin should come ahead and test this triangle, and Bitcoin is able, as it's coming to test this triangle, is able to break up this resistance and sustain above and it test this resistance and move up, this would be a very, very bullish sign, a bullish signal for Bitcoin. Or if as Bitcoin, if the case is that as Bitcoin came to retest this triangle, that's the trend line, to retest it, as Bitcoin came to retest it, and if it's unable to break above this resistance, that means we will see Bitcoin turning back down again. I might be seeing Bitcoin coming back to 35k. Might see it come down to 38k again, 38k, 30,000, 35,000. In that region, might see it coming down again to go high before looking for information to try and go ahead and what and break it. But looking at it, like I said, if Bitcoin came to the 30 triangle and is able to break it at the time of the retest of the trend line, then you will see Bitcoin breaking this particular price. All we need currently for the Bitcoin price is to see a buyer's period. You understand? Buyers should control the market and push the price above this particular level, this particular resistance. Look above the 42K and sustain above. Once the price of Bitcoin can sustain above 42K, fine. We are getting ready to continue to return back to our position. You understand? Before we continue to go. But if the price of Bitcoin is getting rejected from this 42K, you understand? Then you might see Bitcoin bouncing back again down. I might see Bitcoin coming to around 38K, 25K again. And if those region, because those region are somehow weak, if they can't hold, you might see it could return it back to this region where it's actually have a bounce, which is a strong level. So, but I still hope that the next trial of Bitcoin, I hope it breaks this particular uh level. I don't expect the price to return back to this level again. Because if the price return back to this particular 30,000 level, that means this is more bearish for Bitcoin. It's more bearish for Bitcoin. So that's why I'm expecting the price to break up in the coming. If the Bitcoin price will come back to this region, I'm expecting to break up. So if it can't break up, then you'll be expecting a rejection downward. You see this going coming down, you understand, having a bounce and return down. So and like I said, I don't hope to see it in that region. So in which this fall uh affected a lot of coin because that very day which Bitcoin reached $30,000, it was like a fall by it was like a fall. So like 25% fall. And don't forget if Bitcoin is falling like that's for that particular day that it fell to around $30,000. So if Bitcoin is falling by 15%, then you should be expecting other altcoins to fall like 30%, 30%, 28%, 20 something percent, 40%. So Bitcoin fell around like 20 something percent that very day. You understand? Within that, I think within a space of 1 hour, it fell. You see altcoin dipping by 50%, 40%. You see some 60%. You understand? So you just show the power of Bitcoin in the market. So when Bitcoin comes down, other altcoins, join in. So they have no other choice. And currently now, uh, coins are gaining because you see coin buying cheap, buying coin at a very cheap. I can't expect to be seeing BNB another $270. That's so cheap. I have no other choice than to buy the deep. So just like they are offering you a cheaper price to buy and hold more bags. You understand? So and I see that some people panic and they did not buy anything and they left it. You understand? You see Ada around $1. You see Matic around $1. Imagine. So we are getting at a very, very cheap price. So and now if those that bought it did that day, even if we just added a pot at $1, and currently that is around 1.7, 1.6 now. So that's 60% increase in just a day. So that day was a lot of opportunity to make money. You understand? But people see it as a day to panic in the market. And wait some people lost the opportunity. So, but this is what I expect of Bitcoin, which I've said. If it's able, by the time it's coming to the 30 particular for 2000 level, if it's able to break it above, fine, we are good to go and continue to move up. And if you get rejected from that particular level and turns back down, then you might receive Bitcoin coming down again. So, but I hope you don't see its price coming down. I expect a buying prayer from this region. But Bitcoin price can easily push up if we see some mad news, a massive news, maybe like Facebook saying he's interested in Bitcoin, or he's telling us that they bought so worth of Bitcoin, or he said he's trying to incorporate Bitcoin to his balance sheet, that kind of stuff. So you see Bitcoin, you see big companies, you understand, or you say yeah, Big Gates, all those kind of are very famous. The last dip was Elon Musk that helped the dip that he tweeted, that Tesla bought some amount of Bitcoin and then Bitcoin started going up back. And now he said they're not interested in Bitcoin again, and Bitcoin fell. So that's what I feel actually. So if Facebook and others, Amazon can put their interest in Bitcoin and make some good news out of it, then you might see Bitcoin turning. You see buy prayer, people start longing Bitcoin and it's continue to go up. Because currently now some people have lost to they are like we are in the bear market and others. But I don't feel that the bear market is this is just a 53% correction. So I feel that we should continue to move up from here. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Just press the subscribe button now. Press it now, and continue to smile. Don't boom. Say my portfolio is has been cut off by half. No. So enjoy yourself and have a wonderful day. Please subscribe and put on the notification. Thank you very much. God bless you.